Stop just painting over wall cracks. Here is the professional way to fix them for good. First, widen the crack with a utility knife to create a solid base. Clean the dust and apply a primer. This is the secret to a long-lasting bond. Fill it with joint compound, apply your mesh tape, and smooth it over. Good as new. Would you try this at home? Let me know in the comments.
Look at this. You're probably fixing ceiling sags all wrong. This detail needs to be exactly like this. I'm placing this 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack under the support timber and slowly pumping it up. Watch how the ceiling aligns as it lifts tons of weight millimeter by millimeter. Here is the crucial part. When we place the spirit level, that bubble must be perfectly centered. Once the header is completely level, I drive the heavy-duty structural screws in one by one using the impact driver. Finally, I lock it in with a framing nailer so well that even an earthquake won't move this ceiling. What would you use instead of this bottle jack? Let me know in the comments.
Check this out. The biggest mistake people make in bathrooms is forgetting this hatch. If a pipe leaks tomorrow, are you really going to smash all those expensive tiles? No way. The solution is this professional hidden hatch system. First, we cup the opening precisely and install metal profiles on the inside. Here's the trick. Glue the magnets to the tile and hit them with that famous activator spray. It sets rock solid in seconds, eliminating any annoying wait time. Snap it in with a suction cup and you're good to go. It looks flawless from the outside, a true mark of craftsmanship. But your plumbing is always accessible. It's elegant and a total lifesaver. Save this.
Most people ruin premium furniture veneers with bad cuts, but this 45-degree template block changes everything. Instead of guessing, this rigid guide locks the knife perfectly in place. One sharp slice through the PVC strip, and the corner is flawlessly split. Finally, a fine metal file shaves down the microscopic burrs. Look at that seamless flush fit.
Look at this. Most people get this wrong, but this tricky corner is where true craftsmanship really shows. Wrapping baseboards around a staircase isn't just carpentry, it's a mix of pure math and extreme patience. We have to mark the wall with military precision before hitting the miter saw. First, we set the main baseboard to bridge that gap, and then we layer the decorative cap molding to lock the whole look together. One tiny millimeter off, and the entire line is ruined. But watch how these pieces snap together perfectly. Man, that is pure satisfaction. How would you rate this finish from 1 to 10?
Look at this. If you're still filling drywall screw holes one by one with a putty knife, you're doing it all wrong. This is the ultimate pro secret, the nail spotter. It injects the joint compound and wipes it perfectly flush in one single smooth glide. What used to take hours now takes seconds. Absolute game changer for your wrists and your schedule. Would you try this or stick to the old school way? Let me know below.
Look at this. You probably didn't know this trick. You can't just randomly patch up these broken beam edges. First, the master fills the gap with mortar, then places a guide tool for a perfectly straight line. Here is the secret. After securing the guide, he presses the mortar with a trowel to get that sharp corner. Finally, a quick brush finish removes the guide and it's flawless. How would you rate this craftsmanship from 1 to 10? I'm showing you the biggest mistake people make when building stairs. Most people just screw the steps in, but this detail is crucial. When prepping a stair stringer, you must align the pressure-treated lumber perfectly using a spirit level first. Then cut exactly on the line with a circular saw and secure those load-bearing support blocks tightly with a cordless drill. Otherwise, those stairs will sag over time. Would you try this method? You probably don't know the real secret to fixing those ugly crown molding gaps. True masters don't just slap on some filler. The magic is in using a custom profile putty knife shaped exactly like the molding. After applying a generous amount of acrylic caulk, you just scrape it off in one smooth motion. Finish it with a damp brush for a flawless look. Honestly, isn't this craftsmanship just satisfying to watch?
Most people completely ruin those annoying corners where the roof meets the wall, but this guy's craftsmanship is on another level. First, he uses a speed square and a spirit level to get the exact angle. Then, he grabs his circular saw and cuts the wooden blocks perfectly to match that slope. Here is the secret. No ceiling spray can save you here. You absolutely need a solid framing like this. He locks the pieces in place with a nail gun. Finally, he nails down the custom-cut OSB board and it's done. This is what you call a flawless flush fit. How would you rate this work from 1 to 10? Let me know in the comments.
Watch how those annoying gaps in the wood floor just disappear. Most people use pre-made filler, but that's a mistake. The real secret is using the floor's own sanding dust. Pour the special binder liquid right on top, mix it well with a spatula, and press it into the cracks. Once it dries, it's a perfect match. Incredible, right? Stop installing drywall the hard way. This tiny red foot lever completely replaces a second worker by locking the panel at the perfect height. Pair it with an auto-feed screw gun, and you can finish a solo wall in seconds. Watch how perfectly the corner snaps together at the end. Look at this. Most people get this flooring detail completely wrong. Instead of using ugly metal strips, watch a real pro. First, we clean the gap with a mini multi-tool saw for a flawless line. Wipe it clean and apply the masking tape. Here is the secret. Inject a color-matched flexible sealant and smooth it out with a spatula. Look at that satisfying peel. Isn't this way better than metal dividers? Look at this. Most people get this detail completely wrong. If you only use compound on the corners, that wall will crack in days. The real secret is applying the joint compound firmly first, then placing the mesh tape to prevent cracking, and smoothing it in a single swipe. Look at that perfect smoothness at the end. Pure therapy. Most people struggle to get these miter joints perfect, but you've been doing it all wrong. No need for wood filler to hide those gaps. Just take an L-square ruler and a pencil to mark where the pieces overlap. Find that cutting line, trim off that tiny excess piece, and watch them lock together flawlessly like a puzzle. Now that is true craftsmanship.
Stop ruining your baseboards when dealing with uneven step transitions. Most people just slap two straight cuts together and leave an ugly, gap-filled mess. But with a simple geometric layout technique using a set square and precise angles, you can seamlessly bridge different wall levels. Mark your reference points, trace the diagonal joint cut lines, and watch these profile pieces lock into place with a satisfying, zero-gap flush fit.
Check this out. Most people think installing a door hinge is a breeze, but it's actually a game of millimeters. If you don't get it perfect, that door will never close right. First, we carve out a precise slot using a router tool. Then, we use a wood chisel for those sharp, clean corners. That's where the magic happens. Once the hinge sits perfectly flush in the slot, we screw it down with a drill, and we're done. Have you ever tried this method before? Look at this. You are definitely cutting flooring the wrong way. Professionals don't waste hours measuring tight corners. He just flips the plank, aligns it with the wall, and marks the exact spots with a pencil. It's that simple. The result? A flawless, tight fit on the very first try. Did you know this trick? You've been fixing those annoying floor gaps all wrong. You absolutely need to do it this way. Instead of spending a fortune on a handyman, we're solving this with a few simple tools. First, squeeze some wood glue into the gap. Then, protect your floor by applying green painter's masking tape. Here's the real secret. Take a small wooden block, tape the bottom, apply hot glue, and stick it right onto the floor tape. Now watch closely. Grab a hammer, tap the block horizontally, and the floor snaps perfectly back into place. Peel off the tape, wipe it clean, and it's flawless. Don't forget to save this hack. Look at this. You're probably doing wood joinery all wrong. The secret to a lifetime lock without nails or screws is hidden right here. First, we mark the exact spots with a combination square. Then, using a spade bit, we drill right through the intersection. Here comes the magic. Apply plenty of wood glue and hammer in those ribbed wooden dowels. Cut the excess flush with a Japanese handsaw, give it a quick sand, and the result is mind-blowing. Watch till the end. These two pieces are locked forever.